my channel. Today we will be making slime. So let's get to it. So the materials we need are some flour, water, oil, and paint, and a mixing tool and a bowl. First pour the water in. Okay. Then put the flour. First mix paint, then put. Okay. The paint is optional. Then mix it. After putting. Now put the flour. And mix. Add some oil and mix. There's the slime. So it's very easy to make. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends and family. Bye!